Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So firstly, tell me that how my hair looks. Aren't they looking beautiful, voluminous, shiny, healthy? So all thanks to Gugu Hair for sponsoring this video. They sent me these beautiful hair extensions and they wanted me to try and review for you all. So yeah, let's get started. Let's take a moment and appreciate the packaging. I love the rose petal detailing on this beautiful brown box. Then it has a plastic shield on which it's written 100% human hair. When I opened the box, I received my hair extensions with a clipper. I love the packaging. It's really secure and it doesn't look flimsy. The box is really nice actually. This clipper is really nice. It holds my sections very properly. Then I also received this manual. In this manual, you'll be getting proper instructions at how you can use your extensions, how to take care of your extensions, do's and don'ts. The hair extensions came in this Ziploc packaging, Gugu Hair, it's mentioned on the packet. The best part is they also provide you with extra hair clips. For instance, your hair extension clips are not working, you can use these ones. The hair extensions are properly secured in a fish net. Yes, it's properly secured. These extensions felt so soft and look how they look, so lustrous, so shiny and so long. What I did, I took a brush and I just ran it through the extensions and my brush glided like a butter. No tangles, nothing. Firstly, when they approached to me, they were like, they want to collaborate and they wanted me to review these extensions. And I was like, okay, I haven't done anything like this on my channel ever, so let me try these extensions, and if I like it, I will definitely make a video. And yeah, once I received it, I tried it on, and guys, I am in love how they look. Like, look at the length and look how beautiful, how natural these extensions look, because they are made of 100% human hair. Yes, and human hair looks very natural. It merges so well with my natural hair. I love this dark brown balayage color. It doesn't look fake, it doesn't look artificial. It looks very nice, very natural, and I love how the length is. I always wanted my hair to look this long. If you guys are interested in buying these beautiful long extensions, the link is in my description box. Click on the title and you'll get all the details. Alright, and if you use my coupon code, which is basically a discount code for you guys, for my followers, which is MON15, you'll get 15% off. Yes, they ship worldwide and it will take around 10 to 15 days to deliver at your doorstep. Gugu Hair has a huge variety of hair extensions. They have a different category for hair extensions actually. The clip-on ones, the seamless ones, the classic ones, the ponytail ones. So the one I chose for my hair are the seamless ones. They are very easy to put and the color is dark brown balayage. As you all know that I've already colored my hair and I have dark brown balayage kind of look, so I chose something very matching to my hair. So I chose 22-inch length, which is pretty long actually, and I love the length. And the weight of this extension is 120 grams. Yes guys, so yeah, they look really nice, very voluminous, very beautiful, very lustrous actually. Human hair always looks natural, right? I have already used synthetic hair in past, like synthetic hair extensions, and I did not like the quality of synthetic hair because they look very artificial, very fake. Okay guys, now let me tell you that how you can use these extensions. Okay, firstly, you can wash these extensions. You can use a shampoo, you can use a conditioner, because they are 100% human hair, so you can wash them according to your manpasand shampoo. Alright, second, you can also use a heating tool. You can use a flat iron, a curling iron. If you find that the ends are looking a bit brittle, what you can do is you can trim the ends. Yes, it feels like you're just trimming your own hair, right? Now, what you should not do while using these extensions, as they're already colored, make sure that you don't use any kind of bleach, any kind of color. Don't use all these things on your hair extensions, otherwise they'll get spoiled. Please be extremely gentle on these babies because they deserve love. I am in love with my hair right now. Now I'll show you the process of using these hair extensions, so let's get started. Now I'll show you the process of applying these extensions. This is the length of my hair. I'll show you step by step how you can apply extensions. Firstly, what I'll do is I'll take first half section and I'll tie it up like so. So this hair clip is really nice and it secures, it holds the section very properly. Then I'll take a brush. You can also take a teasing comb and I'll start teasing my hair very gently. Don't be harsh. Then I'll take one set of extensions and this has 4 clip-ons. I'm showing you the method how you can unclip your hair. So when you have to put the extensions, make sure to unclip and then clip it again. All right. So in total, I received 7 sets. So this is the first set which has 4 clips. Now I'll take another section. Now this set has 3 clips and basically you get 2 sets of 3 clips, all right, but I'll be using only one set, like one set of 3 clips because my hair has good volume. But if you're, in case your hair doesn't has volume, you can use 2 set of 3 clips. Another section, guys, I'll be using 2 sets of 2 clips, all right. So yeah, I'll be teasing my hair first and then I'll be placing my clips. For the another section which is very near to my brow bone, I'll be taking 2 sections of 1 clip. So you'll get 7 set of extensions with different clips for each section. There's a lot of volume when I added these extensions, and now I'll be showing you that how you can curl your hair using a flat iron. So as I mentioned already that these are human hair, so you can use a heating tool. And yeah, I'll be curling my hair extensions. So I'll be taking section by section and I'll be curling my hair very gently. You don't have to be harsh, and make sure while curling your hair, don't pull your hair, all right? Just pull it upwards and then just curl your hair, just the way I'm doing. When you curl your hair with flat iron, your curls last for a longer period of time. Then I also showed you that how you can use Dyson and it gives beautiful volume. Look how beautiful my curls look. And to be honest, Dyson curls, they don't last for a longer time, but if you use flat iron, you're gonna love the effect. And that's the end result, you guys. How bouncy, how voluminous, beautiful my curls look. It doesn't look like I'm wearing extensions. It looks like my natural hair. I have this long hair, right? I love the effect. And this is how they look from back. Look how beautiful and well blended actually. So if you have thin, flat or short hair, and if you're going to a party, you want to give a different look to your hair, definitely try these extensions. You are gonna love the effect. And now I'll be showing you 2 different hairstyles using these extensions. So what I'll do is I'll take one section of my hair and I'll tie in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna flip my hair, make a loop and then flip my hair like so. And yeah, it's a beautiful half up to pony hairstyle. I was just checking whether my hairstyle looks neat or not because I don't have anybody's help. For the next hairstyle, I'll be taking all my hair on one side and I'll make a loop and flip my hair just like so. Make sure to use thin elastic bands for that neater look, and I'll repeat the process. You can just learn by watching. This is the best way you can style your hair if you want that neat and very boohoo kind of look. I love how it looks. And in the front section, I just curled my hair. After using so many rubber bands, elastic bands, you must be thinking that it's so difficult to remove, but I'll show you the process. It's very easy and you are not gonna pull your hair. MON15 is my discount code which is flashing on the screen right now. If you are interested in buying these extensions, you can use this discount code and you'll get extra % discount. Like this video, share it with your loved ones, and click on the notification bell which is next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, now I'll see you in my next one with a brand new video. Till then, you stay happy, lots of love, take care, and bye bye.